Welcome to our video about modern furniture design. Specifically the Murphy bed, also known as the wall bed. This innovative piece of furniture has been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. The Murphy bed is designed to save space and maximize the functionality of a room. It is perfect for smaller apartments, guest rooms, or any living space where space is limited. When not in use, the bed is folded up and hidden behind a sleek and stylish facade, which can be customized to match the room's decor. When you need it, simply pull it down and voila, you have a comfortable and stylish place to sleep. Murphy beds come in a variety of sizes, from twin to king, and can be customized with additional storage units or shelving. This makes it a versatile piece of furniture that can be used for more than just sleeping. In fact, the Murphy bed can be an excellent solution for a home office or studio. When you need to accommodate overnight guests, simply fold down the bed and create a comfortable sleeping space. Why Murphy bed is better than other beds. Murphy beds, also known as wall beds, are a popular and versatile type of bed that can offer several advantages over traditional beds. Here are some reasons why Murphy beds may be a better option than other types of beds. Space saving. One of the biggest advantages of a Murphy bed is its ability to save space. These beds are designed to fold up vertically against the wall when not in use, which frees up valuable floor space that can be used for other purposes. Versatility. Murphy beds are available in a wide range of sizes and styles, which makes them a versatile option for any space. They can be customized to fit almost any room, and they can be used as a traditional bed or as a space-saving solution for guest rooms, home offices, or small apartments. Convenience. Murphy beds are incredibly easy to use, and they can be opened and closed with just a few simple movements. This makes them a convenient option for people who need to quickly convert a space from a bedroom to a living area. Comfort. Contrary to popular belief, Murphy beds can be just as comfortable as traditional beds. These beds can be designed with high-quality mattresses and bedding, which can provide a good night's sleep without sacrificing comfort. Style. Murphy beds are available in a variety of styles and designs, which makes them a great option for people who want a bed that will match their decor. They can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and even leather, which means they can be customized to fit almost any style. Safety. Murphy beds are designed with safety in mind, and they are equipped with features like locking mechanisms and safety straps that ensure they stay securely in place when in use. This makes them a safer option than traditional beds, which can be more prone to accidents. Value. While Murphy beds can be more expensive than traditional beds, they can offer a lot of value in terms of space saving and convenience. They can also add value to a home, as they are a desirable feature for many buyers. Overall, Murphy beds offer several advantages over traditional beds, including space saving, versatility, convenience, comfort, style, safety, and value. Whether you're looking to maximize your living space or create a guest room in a small apartment, a Murphy bed may be the perfect solution for your needs. Here are some tips how to select Murphy bed. Determine the size of the bed you need, based on the size of the room and the number of people who will be using it. Consider the weight limit of the bed and make sure it can support the weight of the people who will be using it. Look for a Murphy bed that is easy to install and comes with clear instructions. Check the quality of the materials used to make the bed. Look for a Murphy bed that is customizable to fit your specific needs. Consider the style of the bed and make sure it matches your decor. Check the warranty on the bed and make sure it covers any defects or damages. Look for a Murphy bed that has additional storage options. Consider the design of the bed and make sure it is easy to use. Check the reputation of the manufacturer and make sure they have good reviews. Consider the weight of the bed when folded up and make sure it is easy to lift. Look for a bed with a locking mechanism to ensure it stays in place when in use. Check the price of the bed and make sure it fits within your budget. Consider the color options available and choose one that matches your decor. Look for a bed that is made from high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. Consider the amount of space you have in your room and make sure the bed can fit comfortably. Look for a bed that has a comfortable mattress that will provide a good night's sleep. Consider the type of mattress you prefer, whether it's firm, medium, or soft. Check the ventilation on the bed to ensure proper airflow. Look for a bed that is easy to clean and maintain. Consider the amount of noise the bed makes when being opened or closed. Look for a bed that is easy to operate, especially if you have children or elderly individuals using it. Consider the ease of installation and whether you will need professional help. Look for a bed that is energy efficient and eco-friendly. Check the thickness of the mattress to ensure it will fit properly. Consider the type of material used to make the mattress, whether it's memory foam or spring. Look for a bed that has additional features, such as built-in lighting or USB ports. Consider the weight of the bed and make sure it can be safely mounted to the wall. Look for a bed that has a smooth and easy-to-use opening and closing mechanism. Consider the durability of the bed and how long it is expected to last. Look for a bed that can be easily disassembled and moved to another location if needed. Consider the thickness of the bed frame and how sturdy it is. Look for a bed that is easy to clean and maintain, especially if it will be used frequently. Consider the thickness of the mattress and whether it will provide adequate support. Look for a bed that can be customized with additional storage options, such as shelves or drawers. Consider the design of the bed and whether it matches your personal style. Look for a bed that has a low profile when folded up to maximize space in your room. Consider the weight of the bed and make sure it can be safely mounted to the wall. Look for a bed that is designed to be used with a variety of different mattress types. Consider the type of material used to make the bed, whether it's wood or metal. Look for a bed that has a high-quality finish that will resist. Finally, the Murphy bed is a perfect example of modern furniture design. Its sleek and minimalist design makes it a statement piece that can elevate any room's aesthetic. Thank you for watching our video about the Murphy bed. a functional and stylish solution for modern living.